How's it going, everyone? DerpsClassic here. Chances are that if you're watching this video, you're looking for a way to permanently cure your autism by eating nothing but fucking tree leaves for long periods of time. So today I'll be teaching you the secrets to becoming a vegan. Step 1. Find meat substitutes. Eating meat is a big no-no on the list of steps to becoming vegan. Therefore, you're gonna have to travel to your local Whole Foods to find alternatives. But let's be honest here, vegan meat substitutes taste like complete zebra testicles, but if you can't find anything to give you protein, you're probably gonna look like a starving African child was mistaken for a dead Jew during the Holocaust. Step 2. Film your grandfather having a heart attack. Nothing says there's like a vegan fuckboy filming his non-vegan grandpa having a heart attack. Everyone knows that meat is the leading cause of cancer in America, but you're probably going to want some evidence to back that claim up in case someone doesn't believe you. Keep an eye on your grandpa until the heart attack begins, at which point you'll want to grab the camera and let it roll until he breathes his final meat-stenched breath. Edit the final product and upload it to your insanely fucking vegan YouTube channel to prove those animal murderers wrong once and for all. Step 3. Threaten meat eaters to come to your vegetable club. Now that you've made yourself clear and pushed your agenda further than depression pushed Kurt Cobain to suicide, you probably want to invite some meat-loving fucks to your gay vegetable sex dungeon to fight to the death. NASA studies show that 99% of all vegans who attend or own a vegetable club are more retarded, intelligent, than their meat-eating counterparts. Step 4. Own a fucking Prius. Congratulations, motherfucker, your gay ass is almost completely vegan. All you need now to save the hamsters you want to send off to college is to buy and own a Prius. The sounds of homosexual intercourse emitted from the engine will show the world how much of a hero you are to animals across the world. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you walk the path to becoming fully vegan. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more funny content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe as well as turn on post notifications. I also have a Discord server and merch. Both of those links will be in the description. Fuck you, vegan gains. Video coming out about him some other time.